Hi everyone, I'm Oldie Roller and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about me learning to rollerblade and skateboard in my 50th year. Anyway, this video is a Saturday session, and it's basically just a session of just having fun and rolling without taking anything too seriously, without rollerblading becoming a kind of a serious thing, following the rules and, you know, all these strict guidelines that seem to be in place with rollerblading. I mean, I started back when it first started, you know, the Majestic 12s and the K2 Fatties, and these rules didn't apply. It was just all about having fun. And I think this video actually shows that. I think we need to see more of that. I think it's really important. It's just about having fun, enjoying yourself. Yeah, sure, learn new skills, new tricks and everything, but let's not take rollerblading too seriously. I mean, after all, it's a pair of boots with wheels attached. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy the video. Shout out to a guy we met at the skate park. Brought his blades. He hasn't skated in 10 years. You'll see him in the video. He's called Abe. Awesome guy. And yeah, he was doing some serious stuff. So yeah. Anyway, thank you ever so much. Thank you to everyone that follows me and subscribes at the moment. I've got 99 subscribers, which isn't massive at all, but I really appreciate every single one of you that's subscribing. And if I can get some more, that would be great. So please do, if you like the video, you like the honesty, you like the fun, and you really do just celebrate rollerblading for what it is and skateboarding, then please subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video. Bye.
Yes, man.
Life is full of opposites that take us off our course. We move to lust or hatred by an invisible force. But giving up desire, let aversion drop away, breaks up the cloud of illusion, the colors the sky gray.
Yeah.
The loneliest rest above the pond, and wedded by the water, rise above desire, and your faith will become stronger. And the senses are all tame, when the body is compliant, and in all the divine is named. And as you take action, you'll find no effort spent. No matter how you move or speak, it's some promise that's expressed. Yeah. The loneliest rest above the pond, and weighted by the water, rise above desire, and your faith will become stronger. Rest above the pond, and weighted by the water, rise above temptation, and your faith will become stronger. I am not this body, I am not this mind. The intellect and senses are just tools for the daily grind. You see that any action is really are good or bad, they remain in divine bliss.
Hi, I'd like a word from our sponsors, please.
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
Yes, you.